whenever you come into templates and you're looking at your templates, you have the ability to say, well, I want to see them in title order, either ascending or descending order. So alphabetically, A through Z, or Z to A is, ascending, Z to A is descending. Well, you can do that. There's a drop down for when did I create it, or when was it last modified as well. So if you want to see, something that I've been working on, and I want to make sure I, deal with that, you can use either the created or the modified and do it descending, so that the newest one is at the top, oldest one is at the bottom, and then you can not have to go searching for it necessarily. You can do that. One thing that I did do on these is I made these, if you set them, it saves that setting, so whenever you return back, it brings them back that way. So if you made some change and then all of a sudden it's like, well, where'd everything go? It's probably intermingled based off of the date versus what you're used to. So just let you know that that's there. The other thing that I've done is in the multi-select, whenever you choose multi-select on templates, doing the same type of thing where you can select multiple items. Whenever you select them, we now have a print option. Several people said, well, I want to be able to print my templates and I want to go through them, offline and make sure they look the way I want them to look, or whatever. So now whenever you choose print, you can choose whether you want just the emails only, the SMS only, or both. And then it will come up if you've got different translations of documents, English versus Spanish versus whatever, which ones do you want to see? Choose print on that. And then it will show you. In this case, I said I wanted both the email and the SMS for whichever template. It gives you some stats and when was it created and all that kind of stuff. But each one of those are a separate page to show you what the document is, and be able to use it. For those that like to do things offline, that is now an option.